Welcome to Om Foundry Equipments. We are pleased to introduce ourselves as technical designer, manufacturer and supplier of precision foundry machine manufacturer for resin sand coating plant, shell sand coating plant, green sand. We have 19 years of sound technical experience in manufacturing of foundry equipment. This video is core shooter hydraulic type machine. Also we are manufacturing all type of foundry equipments like resin sand coating, core shooters, core blower, swing frame and many more. Visit us our www.omfoundryequipments.com.